YouTube Superfacts hates me again, Sir Helly. I made this video for gays and lesbians who may feel afraid or ashamed to be who they are. For those of you that haven't figured it out already, yes, I'm gay and I do all that I can to promote change, social acceptance, tolerance. I believe that everyone in the world is equal, no matter skin color, sexual orientation, gender, or anything else that may make us seem different from other people. I'm fairly obvious as a gay man and always have been. Like Crocker, people told me I was a gay before I even knew what it was. People within the gay community can and still do tease me because of some of my effeminate behaviors. And it's this kind of internalized homophobia that can make things very uncomfortable for people like me. It's not just in gay situations that this crops up, of course. I feel uncomfortable visiting certain parts of town late at night because I'm easily identified as gay and I get exceedingly tired of being called girlfriend by straight women. No, I don't do hair, and no, I don't care about your wardrobe. I don't drink Cosmos whiskey, please, and I couldn't care less about Lady Gaga. So please be cognizant of the possible misconceptions you may be placing on a person based on the effeminacy of their behavior.